In the successful journey of over 20,000 surgeries and 2,400 robotic surgeries, a Limca Book of Records milestone for the youngest ever total hip replacement patient. A hip replacement for a 104-year-old woman who walked again, and many such wonders achieved, only with the trust of our patients, year after year. Sometimes, healing starts long before the medicine does. In a doctor's gentle reassurance, simply knowing that you are in the right place. This is Revival Hospital. Not just a space for treatment, but a place built on trust. Our journey began on 24th May 1998 when the first Revival facility opened its doors. 7 years later, on 9th October 2005, we expanded into our second facility. The inauguration of both the hospitals was done by the renowned orthopedic surgeon, our mentor, guide and inspiration, Dr. C.A. Talavalkar. Our doctors, Dr. Milind Patil and Dr. Anjali Patil, always believed that true medicine is practiced with love, not just logic. That every patient should be treated like family. Today, Revival has grown from 5 beds to 49 beds, from a single ward to specialized units for every kind of care, from a modest setup to a world-class hospital with an NABH accreditation now in progress for this facility as well. This new facility is strategically located in the heart of Thane city, offering easy accessibility just 200 meters from the Eastern Express Highway. This growth belongs to you, our patients, their families, and all our well-wishers. It is your trust that has brought us here, enabling us to excel in joint replacements, orthopedic surgeries, fracture management, spine surgeries, and sports injury care. In January 2021, Revival became the 4th hospital in the country and the first in Western India to acquire the MAKO robot for joint replacement surgeries, making Dr. Milind Patil the first standalone surgeon in India to do so. Globally trusted, MAKO leads robotic knee replacements with unmatched precision and personalized surgical planning, used in over 90% of hospitals worldwide, far ahead of other systems. Inside Revival today, you will find 6 deluxe rooms, 4 single rooms, 4 twin sharing, 4 triple sharing, 2 5-bedded wards, and 1 suite room. Pathology lab, X-ray, general areas, and dedicated waiting lounges for OPD and ICU. 4 modular operation theatres with laminar airflow, of which 2 are robotic. 1 casualty OT for minor procedures. Advanced washer disinfectors and sterilization units for complete sanitization. Arthroscopy equipment for keyhole surgeries of the joint. 2 nursing stations on every floor for 24/7 care. In-hospital pharmacy for quick and easy access to medicines. Facility for 2D echocardiography for emergency heart evaluation. Facility for dobutamine stress echocardiogram for risk evaluation prior to surgeries. Conference room for direct relay of surgical techniques for teaching upcoming surgeons. 15-bedded intensive care unit ICU, which has advanced life support machines like defibrillators, pacemakers, and ventilators, supported by trained staff and managed by qualified critical care specialists. Advanced pain relieving technology like USG guided nerve block for acute injuries as well as for post-operative pain, which allows faster recovery by physiotherapy in the post-operative period. These spaces are designed not just for recovery, but for privacy, comfort, and calm. This new facility is spacious, provides state-of-the-art healthcare, and ensures convenience for the patients and their families. Our diagnostic labs test with precision. Machines scan in seconds. Robotic technology meets human skill to achieve the highest accuracy. But even in the most advanced spaces, what you will notice first is care. Not the kind printed on brochures, but the kind you sense in the soothing words of the doctors and the paramedical staff, the compassion in the behavior, and in being valued without having to ask for it. Because healing does not begin on a stretcher. It begins the moment someone says, "You are safe here." This is Revival Hospital. And everyone who walks in becomes a part of our story, part of our family. We're not just building a hospital. We are building a place that always remembers you, stands with you through the uncertainty, walks with you through treatment, through recovery, and beyond. Rooted in care, evolving with purpose, and growing with you because of you, we are Revival Hospital.